This would probably be the best drone for your next adventure. Meet DJI NEO, a drone that weighs 135 grams and the lightest drone from the DJI product line. It's also a palm-sized drone. Before I share with you some shots I took with the DJI NEO, let's check some of its features and the things I like about this drone. The unit that I got is a Fly More combo. It has 3 batteries and a charging hub. This drone has a running time of approximately 18 minutes for each battery. Having a spare battery really helps me get more flight time everywhere I go. And if you guys are wondering what this drone is capable of, this can record 4K 30fps and 1080 at 60fps. This drone also has an active track or an intelligent follow feature, and these can be controlled via the following. But my favorite part is controlling it via application or no remote at all. So I'm gonna try and fly this drone using the remote, using this. This is the RCN3, and yeah, I'm gonna try how far it takes me, but I won't fly this really far because I'm scared. I don't want to lose this drone. It's good for like solo traveling.
Give me deja vu, like I've been waiting my whole life to find that view. When I'm looking at your eyes, I go from California to Timbuktu, back to dancing in the living room. If I got you, baby, every day's a honeymoon. Oh, it's a honeymoon. Baby, every day's a honeymoon.
So what can I say about this drone? I think this is a really good investment if you want to get a drone, or if you want to start having drone shots or practicing. This drone is the right one for you. If you're a solo traveler and you like to get your selfies but you don't have anyone around, this drone is also for you. Let's face it, drone shots make your videos more cinematic. How about you guys? What do you think?